Hey guys, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 best dry erase board available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. Number 1. Lockway's Magnetic Dry Erase Board. The first one on our list is this phenomenal board from Lockway's. This board from Lockway's will work with all the non-permanent markers and also wipe-off markers. The board provides a premium surface that a fair bit of resistance to scratches. The sides of the board are made from anodized aluminum, which adds to its sturdy build. Besides, the whole board has a magnetic mechanism. Number 2. VIZ-PRO Magnetic Whiteboard, Dry Erase Board. The next one on our list is this magnetic whiteboard from VIZ-PRO. This company is very well known for making great whiteboards, and this one is no different. You will be delighted to know that the board comes in many sizes. It also allows it to have a solid build. The corners of the board are made from plastic that helps it stay on the wall. Number 3. Officeline Erase Board and Accessories. The board has a bigger size than most other boards in this price range. This board provides you with a versatile experience, as you can use it in a classroom or your office. It will do great for presentations too. Its entire mechanism is magnetic and you can easily hang it on a wall or place it on a stand. The total package will include some accessories like the storage tray, an eraser, the mounting kit, 3 magnets for mounting, and a marker. Number 4. Whiteboard Chore Chart. If you are on the hunt for a chore chart for your kids to get their chores done more efficiently, you should try out this whiteboard from VIZ Magnet. You can keep the chores well organized and equally distributed with the help of this board. The board is lightweight, so you can easily carry it around too. Number 5. QuartetQuartet Whiteboard. If you don't want something flashy and you want to keep it simple, this one from Quartet is for you. You can use it at home or in the office. It gives you that professional vibe. You can easily clean and wipe off the ink markings from this board without too much of a hassle. Besides, the frame of the board has an aluminum finish.